nice question. Kasi, I feel like na now that I have time, I feel like I am growing up with them also. I feel like I'm discovering new things with them, like arts. And wala pa sila books kasi di pa babasa. Arts, music, like, alam mo, minsan, pag matutulog na kami, punta lang kami ng YouTube, manood lang kami ng mga music videos, or yung mga concerts, and even sa mga very artistic, si Lily, si Nene, very artistic, and even si Ino Gamer. Si Ino din actually is artistic. Gumagawa siyang comics. So, I feel like at this point in my life, I'm also growing up with them. So, I like this episode of my life. I like this period of my life. And I shared it with Lino. Sabi ko, I really like where I am right now. Sabi ko, I'm discovering things with my kids. Sabi niya, it doesn't have to be a stage. Pwede namang your whole life. You can appreciate art, appreciate music, books. I just wanna describe my life to them na I grew up with them. I want them, kung kailan sila pinanganak, yun din ako naging mom. Pinanganak din ako sa mom. Oh my gosh, ang lalim doon.
Ang ganda.
Happy birthday ka, mama. Hug mo si mama. Hug yung mga mama nyo. Mahirap ang nanay. Diyos ko, Lord.
Yes, opo. Pero kasi si Mama Phil, sobrang present niya. Doon sa life ng ito kasi yung crucial stage ng
totoo. Psych major. Diba? 6 to 12. Psych major.
Kaya to be
age
present.
6 to 12.
To be present sa ganung stage ng life ng kids, very important.
Forever nila maalala yan. Maalala yan na si mama lagi lang sa bahay. Yun yung image nila sa akin. Which I love. Na parang si papa nag-work. Si mama nandyan lang. Mag-play kami. Which I get the luxury and fortunate enough na, I have the time with them.